Hey y'all, and welcome back to the Ohima Life channel. This is your girl Jessie. Today is day 5 of Amiga-Mas, and today we're going to be making these sweet southern salmon patties. I love this recipe so much. I'm going to give you the list of ingredients in the description box below. Gather all your ingredients together. We're going to go through them at the beginning and we can make this together. If that interests you, keep watching. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to have is our pink salmon in the can. All you need is 1 can. We're going to have some creole seasoning, some garlic, chopped garlic. You can use fresh garlic if you want. I'm just taking shortcuts. I got some fajita mix. I'm just using the green pepper and the red pepper out of here. And then I'm going to use some spicy Montreal steak seasoning. This already has garlic in it, but it's still good. Also an onion, sweet onion. I like to use sweet onion in my recipes. And then also some Ritz crackers that I crushed up. Some of the ingredients that are not listed are egg and also Old Bay seasoning. Of course, you're going to need a knife, a bowl, something to mix with, and also a cutting board or a cutting mat like I have here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to chop our veggies. So we're going to chop our onions, green peppers, red peppers, and we're going to have about 1/4 cup of each. Alright, so now that we have all our veggies chopped up and in a bowl, we're going to do our salmon next. So what I like to do, I like to take the bones out of my salmon. So I go through and pick through each little part, which I'm going to have here in the video for you sped up. But you don't have to take the bones out if you don't want to. I'm just a little OCD when it comes to that. Now that we have our salmon and our veggies done, we're gonna add in the rest of our ingredients, which is our garlic, our seasoning, breadcrumbs or crackers, which I'm using, and your egg. Now your seasonings, you add in as much as you like or as little as you like. These are just based off of what I used. So approximate measurements are in the description box below. Now's the fun part. Once you get everything in your bowl, mix everything together and make sure you mix it well. And this is what it should look like once you have it all mixed together. And once you got it all mixed together, now's the time to make sure you have all the seasoning and everything you need in it. I like to smell. So I cook based off of smell. So I needed to add just a little bit more seasoning to mine. And then I added my Old Bay at the end. All right, so that's it. So I just take this mixture, put it in the fridge, and the next day I form patties and fry it up. If you want to see how I do that, you can watch part 2. But until then, I love you guys and thank you so much for watching.